Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solution. My name is Lokesh Gandhi. In today's video, we are going to learn about sales catalog. This is the agenda of today's session. A brief introduction about sales catalog, key features of sales catalog, import products and products groups, import the relationship between the products and products group, and at the end, import products group hierarchy information. Sales catalog. Salespeople enter the products and products group that customers are interested in purchasing by making a selection from a sales catalog. A sales catalog consists of hierarchy of products group which classify and organize the products in the catalog. You can include a description for each product group and product. You can upload one image for each product. Key features. Import your inventory list using the standard import or import macros, quickly build and deploy sales catalog in a single administration UI, build product group in a hierarchy. Here is a diagram of the Vision Corporation sales catalog structure. The company sells laptops and two types of server, that is green servers and Sentinel servers. Here you can see that a Vision Corporation is a root product group. Under this root product group, servers and laptops are the product group. And the box which is highlighted over here, that is green server 3000, green server 6000 are the products. So what we will do in this session, first we create a root product group. Under this root product group, import the product using the product import macros, that is green server 3000, and import the product group. So let's move on to the application to create root product group. Setting and action menu, click on that. Click on setup and maintenance. In setup area, click on sales. In functional area, click on sales catalog and products. In task area, click on manage product group. In manage product group, to create a root product group, click on this plus sign over here, click on that. Let's enter the unique name without space. Display name. Enter the root product group display name. This is the name that's displayed in the UI to user. Script the description and dates. Active. Your catalog must be active to be used in assuming application. Deselect. This allow duplicate children. You must deselect this checkbox because the same product group cannot be appear multiple times in the sales catalog hierarchy. Let's check the root catalog. The root catalog is the top product group in the hierarchy. All other product group created under it are considered subgroup. Leave this allow section selection as checked. Click on save and close. Here you can see that Vision products are created. Let's import the product using the macro file provided by the Oracle. Let's move on to the Oracle support website. Search for this article number. Scroll down in details section. You can download the jar file as well as the product import macro file. I have already downloaded it and saved in the same directory on the desktop. Here, let's input the in, let's open the product input macros. First, we enable it editing. Start with the unit of measure, that is UOM. Click on populate UOM from server. Enter the host name. The hostname is the portion of the URL of your environment between the HTTP and /. Copy that URL, paste it over here, enter the username, enter the password, click on submit. The macros retrieve the unit of measure you set up from your environment and enter them into this worksheet. Let's move on to the product type. If you want to add latest product type, then click on product type from server, click on submit. Macro retrieves the latest product type from your environment and enters them into the worksheet. Let's move on to the attribute mapping. If you want to import additional field, then click on fetch attribute from server, click on submit. Microfetch available product attributes, including any custom attributes you created from your application. You can select from here. Let's move on to the product. Macro requires just 3 pieces of information: product number, product name, and primary unit of measure. Let's enter the product details. Product number, let's input the 9001. Name, server 3000. Leave the description. First, we select the product type. Product type, we select the goods. If you are selling goods that you are priced by the box, then you must want to add box to the count class of measure. Then you select a box unit. Eligible for selling, click yes. Eligible for servicing, click yes. And enable customer self-service, click yes. Click on create import activity after you are done all the information. Click on submit. If your import activity was submitted successfully, after that, click on activity details. It will take few seconds to complete. The file import activity was submitted successfully. Click OK. Click on activity detail to monitor the import progress. Here you can see that the status is due for import. Click on refresh button to change the status. The status changed to preparing data for import. Click on refresh button again and again. Here you can see that the process is completed. You can generate a log by clicking the generate log button. Let's verify the product you imported. Let's move on to the application. Click on the navigator button. In sales, click on product. Yes, here you can see that product get imported. Let's import the product group using the macro file provided by the Oracle. Let's move to the Oracle support website. Here you can download the product group macro file by clicking over here. I have already downloaded here and pasted both file in the same directory on the desktop. Let's open it. You can create different folder for different macro files. Enable it, the editing. In product group reference number. Enter a unique alphanumeric ID up to 50 characters in the length. You can enter the product group name without any space. Let's enter the product group reference number without any space. Enter the product group internal name. Let's enter green server. Display name. Click on create import activity. Let's copy the host name from the product. Move on to the application. Copy the host name. Paste over here. Enter the username. Submit. The file import activity was successfully submitted. Here, click on OK. Click on activity detail to monitor the import process. Click on refresh button till the status get completed. Again, click on refresh button. Here you can see that the process gets completed. Now, let's import the relationship between the product group and product. You can download the file from the support.com. Yes, product group to product relationship. Download this macro file. I have already downloaded it and paste over here. Let's open the product group item. Click on 11 editing. Let's enter the product group reference number. This product group in reference number which we used in our previous macro file, that is product group macro file. We enter product number. Enter the product number which we use in product import product macro file. It is 9001. Click on create import activity. Let's copy the host from the application. Get the username and password. Click on submit. The file import activity was submitted successfully. Click on OK. Click on activity details to monitor the progress. The status is queued for import. Status changed to preparing data for import. Click on refresh button. Click on refresh button. Here you can see that the process gets completed. Using this process, you can get the relationship between the products group and product. Let's move on to the next. Let's import the product group hierarchy information. Let's move on to the Oracle support website. You can download the product group hierarchy macro file over here. Click on that and download it. I have already downloaded it on the desktop. Here's the hierarchy. Let's open it. Enable editing. Click on that. Product group reference number. Let's enter the product group reference number. Parent product group reference number. Here we use the root product group reference number. How can we get this root product group reference number? Let's move on to the application. Click on setup and maintenance. Click on sales. In functional area, click on sales catalog in product. Click on manage product group. Click on the root product group which we created earlier. Find it over here. Click on that. In detail section, we can see that the reference number is 2. Copy this reference number and paste over here. We're done with the entries. Click on create import activity. Let's copy the host name from the application. Paste it over here. Enter the username and password. The import activity was submitted successfully. Click on OK. Let's see the activity progress. Click on refresh button to change the status of the progress. Here you can see that the process gets completed. Let's move on to the application. Here you can see the relationship between the product group, and the hierarchy information. In our root product group, click on this tree view. The vision product is our root product group. Click on that. Under this root product group, we create a product group. This is green server. Click on that. Click on product. Under this product group, we create one product. This is green server 3000. This is how we can create a sales catalog. This is all about the sales catalog. Hope you understand. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video.